Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 30 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display. In this menu we've got all of settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, manage lock screen notifications, privacy, add text on lock screen, show wallet, and show device controls. Next, we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable dark theme, change font size, display size, enable or disable night light, change colors between natural and saturated, color temperature, and display refresh rate between auto, 60 Hz and 144 Hz. Then we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, flicker prevention, manage full screen for apps, set screensaver, enable or disable attentive display, big display, 3-finger screenshot, swipe to split, ready for, manage screen record, and enable or disable increase touch sensitivity. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.